Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on the PBS Kids tablet. You just turn it on. You're at the home screen. You click on Grown-ups. You put in your password. Okay, and then it takes you to the Edit Kids profile. You just go over here and click Exit Kids Mode. And then it takes you to here. You just click on Launcher 3. And then here we go. You go over and click on Settings. Settings. No, just want to click on Settings. Okay, click on Settings. And then you go down to where it says System. And then right here where it says Reset Options, click on Reset Options. And then right here you have the ability to reset everything from reset Wi-Fi, mobile, Bluetooth, reset app preferences, erase all data, which is the factory reset, in recovery mode. So I'm going to reset. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked the factory reset. This erases everything, all your photos, everything saved. So make sure you absolutely want to do this first because everything will be gone. So at the bottom, you just hit reset tablet. And then if you have a password, you click that. Okay, and you will come to the erase everything button. You just click erase everything. Okay, so that is how you do a factory reset. If you want to double check to make sure it went through, you just turn it back on and you'll see it's acting like it's a completely brand new tablet, so you know it went through. All right, parents, thank you for watching. And again, that's how you do a factory reset on the PBS Kids tablet.